Welcome to this short summary demonstration of BoardPro. BoardPro is board management software to facilitate the smooth running of your meetings for your governance boards and subcommittees through building an agenda, producing a board pack, and taking the minutes of your meeting. So we'll start by selecting this meeting. On this meeting page, your attendees are listed on the left-hand side. You can drag and drop these names and move them to apologies. We'll then move on and start building an agenda. BoardPro provides a best practice template for you to use, or you can select an agenda to clone from a past meeting. In the Agenda Builder, you can rename everything to customize your agenda. You can add sections and items throughout your agenda. You can drag and drop those agenda items as you need, and the numbering sequence automatically moves to match the new structure. You can add in your own files for discussion. Supporting files can be uploaded here. There's no limit to how many attachments you can have in your agenda. We can go ahead and publish the agenda and then notify the board that the board pack is available for them to review. We send a board pack notice to the board, which then prompts them to log into BoardPro and review their papers online. Since we've published the agenda, we've now produced a board pack from the information added onto each of these agenda items. Using the top navigation, we can view and make digital notations on our board pack. Using BoardPro Notes, our in-app annotation tool. Your meeting papers can be viewed sequentially on the left hand. We have a toolbar at the top where you can mark up your meeting papers to make private notes on each meeting. Board members can prepare for their meeting and bring along their device to the meeting and follow along with their notes. So in summary, thus far, we've created an agenda and published our board pack. We've distributed the board pack to the board, and finally, we're ready to take the meeting minutes. Taking the minutes follows the same process as building the agenda. We can take our minutes using these three options here. First, we have a note function to capture content of a discussion of the meeting. Next, we can add a decision. We can add in movers and seconders under each decision. And finally, you can add actions which are managed end-to-end within BoardPro. We can give the action an owner and provide a due date. BoardPro will send the owner reminders to complete their actions on time. We can preview the minutes that have been produced. The minutes are formatted for you to save you administration time. You can see the notes, decisions, and actions. Let's move on to finish the draft minutes. In this step, we distribute the minutes to the board along with a few extra tasks. We can send the minutes away to the board. You can write a note if needed. The members will receive a link to log in and view their minutes online. Actions are sent to their assigned owners. And finally, we schedule the minutes for confirmation at the next meeting. The other key features that you have is the document repository. This is called the governance document section, where you can store unlimited documents. You can add folders and lock them for board members only to access. The Between Meetings report is another key feature here, so that you can send reports to the board between meetings. Members can log in to review and make comments, and the board members can discuss the reports online. Committees can also be managed in BoardPro in their own sub-account. Finally, you get live day-to-day support through a chat feature here that's monitored 24/7, so that you can receive support anywhere around the globe. BoardPro, governance made easy.